Clicking on a Scan a Nest button takes us to an auxiliary menu. So items on here are scan, which is a line following a scanner, plate fill for array nesting with minimum of waste, automatic nesting for true shape automatic nesting, simple CAD, which is a simple CAD system for doing simple drawings, JPEG for reading clip art, and nest for doing manual nesting. So if we look at automatic nest, autonest, click on that. So we've got a screen here. We've got a plate size down here we can specify. By tapping the numbers we can adjust the plate size. So we'll keep it 1000 by 1000. And we've got options at the top here for loading nests or saving nests or new nests. This next section gives a choice of flexi shapes, load shapes, or multiple shapes for a folder. And this bit we touched on already is the plate size, etc. So if we do a simple nest, so we'll do some flexi shapes. So we click on flexi. We'll bring in a few lugs. So we'll just make our standard lug, which is we'll do 100 by 100. Keep it nice and simple. The 20 milli hole and 5 milli lead in. Select, and we'll put a shoulder on there of 20 mil. So there's a lug. So now it asks us for how many of these we want. So we'll have 15 lugs. We'll have some more flexi shapes, maybe some circles. We'll go for 40 mil diameter, an outer of 150 with a 10 milli lead in. Next, quantity of those, 10 of those. More flexi shapes. We'll stick in some L shapes, 150 by 150. Thickness there, so we'll keep it quite slim, I think, 25, and we'll thickness at the bottom, 50 mil. With a 5 milli lead in. Next. So interesting, this is, we can make this shape using a generic shape and put holes in there as well. So this is in some ways superseded by the generic shape. Next, 5 of those. Now we'll put a loaded shape in there if we can find one. So click on load shape, up directory, let's see what we've got in here. CNC, clip art. So we'll have a look at some clip art, DXF, dogs. Let's find a dog, a Scotty dog, I think. So there's a DXF Scotty dog. It's quite big, that one. We'll scale it down to 0.6. So it was 300 mil, so it's now 200 milli-ish square. So a nice Scotty dog there. Next quantity. I'll have 2 of those. So there's our list of parts. We can scroll up and down those, and we can edit the numbers or delete them out completely. So we've got 1000 by 1000 plate. I don't know how well these are going to fit in. We'll set the gap to 0. So we'll give it a. So there's our 1000 by 1000 plate. So we'll go nest. We'll have a little bit of a think about it. And oh, there's our nest. So those parts aren't actually that big, so there's plenty of plate left there. So we could change those quantities if we want and adjust them about a bit. Or if we're happy with that, we just go accept. So there's our nest. Next, setup as before. We'll set that back to 8 mil because we were pretend gas cutting earlier. Next. Once it's calculated that, we can then just choose the origin we want to start off from, and away we go. So that's true shape auto nesting. Had we wanted to, we could save that nest and recalled it and edited it.